Very often, someone buys a beautiful watch and they become very passionate about the artistry, the craftsmanship, and the workmanship that's subsumed within these beautiful timepieces. And as they buy one, you may decide to buy another. What very often happens is you now have a collection. At this point, you're looking at something that has significant value. It is very important to document that collection as you would a collection of anything else. The more information that you have about your collection, the safer it is. You want all of the original documents that were provided to you, the bill of sale, the picture, the warranty cards, the box, anything that you have regarding those timepieces, and you want subsequent information. You want updated appraisals. You want independent appraisals around these pieces. The more information you have, the safer the collection will be. It is recommended that you take the documentation of your collection and have 2 full copies of that. You do not want to leave your warranty cards in the box that you received your watch. You want to take those cards out and put them in a safe place with your other important papers and the original documents from the collection. You may want to make another copy and put that information off premises somewhere. You do not want the information about the collection stored with the collection. They need to be separated.